Okay, here we have section number 3 in the hibiscus area. And in this section, we didn't use landscape fabric to see if there would be a difference in how the plants could function, how they would grow. What we have found happens is the weed pressure is really strong here, so the hibiscus plants end up competing with the weeds. And you can see there's a hibiscus plant in the middle and there's weeds all around it. It's growing strong, but weeds are not our friends. I'm sure weeds have a purpose, but not for the purposes of this project. So I know it's very hard to see in this section, but there are quite a few hibiscus plants in here. If you notice the ones that are here towards the back, they're doing very well. All in all the plants are doing well. It's just some of the younger plants, the smaller plants, are having issues competing. It seems like when the plants get to a certain size, about 18 inches or a foot tall, they seem to do okay. And one of the challenges, what I would do different if I don't do landscape fabric, and what I would suggest, make sure your rows and your plants are far enough apart that you can just come through with your riding lawnmower or your tiller, if you can see. And you can always tell the hibiscus by the telltale reddish stem. So there's one there. There's actually a whole row of them here, but the weed pressure is just really taking over. And it was because this spot, we didn't realize we needed more spacing between the plants and the rows in order to ride through here with the riding lawnmower in order to keep the weed pressure down. So next go around, next year, we'll fix that. At this point, there's nothing we can do except get the guy in here to go ahead and cut the grass around the plants, and we'll take it from there. But definitely, if you don't use landscape fabric, at the very least, make sure you maintain a regular mowing schedule.